In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Setup OpenIV for GTA 5. Check my video description for this site link. Select the download now option. Once download done, select the OpenIV setup. Select your language and select continue. Select I accept and select continue. Select continue and select the yes option. Select close. We have successfully installed the OpenIV. Open it using the desktop shortcut. Select the Windows in GTA 5. Select the browse option and navigate to the GTA 5 game folder. Select the game folder, select folder option and then select continue. Do not forget to back up your original files before editing. Back up your game and then select continue. Select this ASI manager. Install all of these three required mod files. Select install. Select the yes option, select install. Once these three installed done, select close. And now you are ready to install the mods, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.